Difference between hemoptysis and hematemesis. Hematemesis is the blood that comes with the vomiting, and hemoptysis is the blood that comes up with the cough. So hematemesis, mainly the origin of hemoptysis is from the respiratory problem. What but the hematemesis is the problem of the gastrointestinal tract. So number one, hemoptysis. Hemoptysis, blood comes up on coughing, but in hematemesis blood comes up on vomiting. In hemoptysis the color of blood is bright red, while in case of hematemesis the color of blood is blackish. Hemoptysis may be mixed with the sputum or air. When it is mixed with air, it is called frothes, but when it is mixed with sputum, it is mixed with sputum. Hematemesis may be mixed with food particles because gastrointestinal tract contains the food particles. So if the blood comes with vomiting, it may contain the food particles. On the other hand, other features of respiratory disease may be present when there is hemoptysis, but in case if there is hematemesis, the other features of gastrointestinal disease may be present, such as pain, epigastrium, jaundice, or ascites. So this is the difference between hemoptysis and the hematemesis.